Hello, everyone. This is Paul Sapera, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. That's the song Sayang. Music coming from Miss Bituin Escalante. And she is one of today's birthday celebrants. All right, Miss Bituin Escalante. All right, and hey, watch out for the anniversary. All right, the first anniversary of Mang Tomas Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa, located at the Santa Rita Filtration Road at the Alpha Mart. Okay, yung pagbabalang ng tulay ng Santa Rita, di ba may Alpha Mart doon? Yun, at the Alpha Mart parking lot, the food truck of Mang Tomas Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa is there. Okay, so for the first few customers, they will get one huge bottle, one huge Pepsi, and a special edition commemorative mug, souvenir mug from Mang Tomas Lechon Manok at Liempo at iba pa. The first anniversary is happening May 1. Not May 1, I'm sorry. May 5. May 5 po yung first anniversary. Okay? Congratulations in advance sa kaibigan natin dyan at Mang Tomas Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa. Okay, and hey, right about now, we will do the radio contest. Ayan, yung sinabi ko kanina na na radio contest for the Sam's Pizza. Okay, ulitin ko lang yung details para alam niyo isasagot ninyo. Ang Sam's Pizza will be having its what do we call this? The special promo happening on April 30th. Okay? So anong gagawin natin sa April 30? Anong gagawin ninyo? Magkakaroon sila ng special promo that will be happening on April 30. The special promo is called Sam's Pizza Payday Sale. Okay? So April 30, 2024 at all branches. Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Okay? Kasali yun yung mga branches na yun. Magsaysay, Barreto, Castillejos. Okay? So for every purchase of 12 inches family size pizza, you'll get 2 for only 299 pesos. Combine mo lang yung all-time favorite, Hawaiian and pepperoni, and classic flavor, beef mushroom and cheesy bacon mushroom. Okay? So all you have to do is call me now and answer those questions. Yun na rin yun, yung mga sinabi kong yung mga tinanong ko. 0910-6909-501. Ayan, yung ating official text digits dito. Okay? Ayan, I think we have somebody calling. Ayan, let's check it out. Hello, caller!
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon! Wow, ba't ka tumawag? Sasali ka sa radio contest?
Opo, sana.
Aba, ang bilis nakadial agad Kasi sabi ko lang na, we need a caller, dumayal agad.
Opo, nakarinig po ako nakikinig.
Ay naku, maraming salamat naman. Feeling ko tuloy, dapat pala batiin kita araw-araw, oras-oras, minu-minuto. ano pong pangalan nyo?
Rowena Galvez po.
Rowena
Galvez.
Okay. So, taga saan po si Rowena Galvez? Okay lang ba tanungin?
Opo, dito lang po ako sa West Bahak-Bahak.
Uy, West Bajak-Bajak. Kabarangay kita. Ako rin, West Bajak-Bajak eh. Ayan.
Okay po.
So mamaya text mo sa akin yung details mo full name, address, age, signature, and drop your own Dropbox. Hindi, mamaya na lang yun after the call para ipo-forward ko sa Sam's Pizza if you will win, Kailangan muna, masagot mo muna ng tama. Masagot mo muna. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na po.
Handa ka na bang sagutin yung mga katanungan natin?
Opo.
Okay. Alright. Question number 1. Naalala mo ba nung panahon ng mga Pranses? French Revolution? Pumasok si Napoleon Bonaparte sa kalagitnaan ng Europa. Hindi yun.
Parang hindi ko po alam yan.
Tinetesting lang kita. Okay. Actually, madali lang talaga yung question. Napakinggan mo naman kanina, inano ko yung promo details natin, Ano po yung title nung upcoming promo ng Sam's Pizza? Ano yung upcoming promo nila?
Some pizza payday sale.
Payday sale! Wow! Payday sale. So may pera tayo niyan, yung araw na sale kasi payday sale.
Oo.
Oh, question number 2. Kailan po ito gaganapin at saan-saan?
Siyempre po, itong this coming April 30, sahod.
Oo nga naman, April 3rd, payday special nga naman. You know. At saan branches?
Dito po sa Magsaysay, sa Barreto, saka sa Castillejos po.
So basically, lahat siya, no? Yan lang naman yung branches nila, di ba? Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Ayan, okay. So can you give me yung promo mechanics?
Sige po, ito po. Ang promo mechanic, get 2-in-1 flavor, 12 inches family size, pizza, for only 299 pesos.
Wow! Alright.
Pizza, 179. Utang ka pa.
Alam pa yung savings, no? Nakinig talaga to. Okay. Alright. And the steps? Paano yung yung
May
mixing?
mix and match your flavors.
Mhm.
Step 1, choose one. Yung syempre all-time favorite flavor.
Okay.
Hawaiian or pepperoni.
Kung ikaw, alin dyan ang kukunin mo? Hawaiian or pepperoni? Kung ikaw?
Siguro po pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Oh.
Pareho masarap eh.
Oh, dahil ayaw mong pumunta sa Hawaii.
Masarap na ito, malamig.
And then step 2?
Step 2 po, choose one. Ang classic flavor, merong beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom.
And you got it right! Yay! Narinig mo yung nagpapalakpakan? Hindi mo narinig, no?
Okay, parang wala.
Dito lang sa radyo, dito lang. May nagpapalakpakan sa iyo eh. Kasama doon yung Sam's Pizza. Okay, congratulations Miss Rowena Galvez. Ayan, okay. So I'll give you the details later ha. Pagkatapos nitong I'll message you. Pero ang claiming is sa Sam's Pizza, I think yung sa Magsaysay yata branch ang claiming. Tapos you need to bring your ID. I will forward your name doon sa kanila, ha?
Sige po.
Ayan, okay. Congratulations to you. May mga gusto kang batiin?
Mga binabati ko na lang po yung mga batch 82 ko, classmate. Batch 78 sa Nelly Brown Elementary. Saka mga kapitbahay ko dito sa West Backpack.
Ayun. Batch 82. Ayan, kamusta? Anong school yung batch 82?
OCNHS.
Yung OCNHS. Oh. Tapos, last thing for you to do, kung tapos na yung pagbati, meron pa ba? May babatiin pa? Wala na?
Wala na po.
Wala na. Oh. Last thing for you to do, meron kaming traditional question sa mga tumatawag. Oh, kasi hindi ka nakikita ng caller eh. Gusto nila malaman, 'di ba? Yung mga caller, 'di ba, hindi nakikita ng nakikinig. Oh, iniisip nila, naririnig yung boses mo. Iniisip nila ano kaya itsura nito. Ayun. Ito ngayon yung traditional question. Sino daw yung artista look-alike ni Rowena Galvez? Ang iyong artista look-alike. Yung sabi ng mga tropa mo, ay, kamukha mo si pautang naman.
Ang may nagsasabi po, matagal na yun. Siguro medyo bata pa kasi ako noon.
Okay.
Si Aramina daw po, Aramina.
Si Aramina! Wow! Ang look-alike ni Aramina, ladies and gentlemen. Rowena Galvez. Ayan. Nagbago na yata yung pangalan niya. Ara Gabi.
Gabi na.
Alam mo yung pangalan ng screen name lang yung Aramina eh. Diba?
Hindi ko alam eh. Kung ano talaga.
Ang apelido niya talaga Mathay. Diba kasi anak siya ni Mathay. Tapos yung nanay niya si Sally. Yan. Kilala mo si Ate Sally, yung nanay ni Aramina? Totoo to, hindi to joke.
Hindi po eh.
Sally Mathay. Yun. Nung napangasawa niya yung Matay na politiko. Yun, di ba? Alright. Tapos ang middle name niya, nung dalaga pa siya, ang apelido niya, Bugna. Yun, ni Ate Sally. Yan. Kaya ang full name niya ay Sally B. Matay.
Matay? Ano ba yan? Parang hindi ako yan.
yung nanay niya yun, yung nanay niya. Hindi joke yun, totoo. Yun talaga ang full name ng nanay niya. Sally. Tapos middle name niya, Bugna. Tapos last name, Matay. Okay. FYI sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So, okay. Again, Ate Rowena Galvez, congratulations to you. You're the winner
Thank you po.
Alright, bye-bye! Okay, congrats. There you go, people. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza promo for today. Ayan. Okay. So you two will get your chance. Pero bukas na ulit kasi may winner na. May nanalo na. Ika nga, may nanalo na. Alright, so next up we have this couple of invites for you. Ayan. Final batch of invites na rin because we're on the final stretch of this radio program already. Okay. Couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay. They are inviting you to check out the Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant Flavors of Summer. Special halo-halo. Naku, sarap maghalo-halo, no? Oh. Pag naglalakad ako sa labasan, yung mga nadadaanan ko, tinitingnan ko kung saan may halo-halo eh. Parang pag summer, automatically attracted sa halo-halo kahit sino eh, no? So check it out. They got the best tasting halo-halo right now for you. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And win a free tote bag with every purchase of 499 pesos at the SM Food Court, 4th level of SM Central, and a couple of Coca-Cola products. Ongoing is the Summer Instant Papremyo of SM Appliance Center. Visit your nearest SM Appliance Center at your nearest SM Mall right now up until April 30, 2024. And Kabalen is having the free buffet for the 5th paying customer. Bring along with you 4 paying customers. And the 5th one is free. Yours is free. Just bring along with you your SMAC card, SM Advantage card. It's one of the requirements, of course. All right? And free upsize for everybody. Free drink upsize at CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf at the 2nd level of the SM Store. Okay? SM Store, 2nd level, SM Central. And make SM your official summer hangout and get to enjoy different summer hangout treats for you. Summer deals and treats, Utopia, summer block party, summer market, and the summer pet fair. All happening at SM. Make SM your official summer hangout. Okay? And the Kabayan Day is happening every first Tuesday of the month. Don't forget, yung mga OFWs and their families, tuwing first Tuesday po of the month is the Kabayan Day brought to you by BDO Rewards Card, BDO Remit. 10% off on SM affiliate stores like Miniso, Watson's, Sports Central, SM Appliance. Okay? And speaking of Miniso, Miniso is now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, so yung mga big fan ng Miniso, bukas na at the SM Downtown, the ground level. Pagpasok pa lang, Miniso agad. Sa unang hakbang, Miniso agad. Ayun, parang no? Parang commercial niya na yun. Okay, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. On with our next song, another birthday celebrant song, Tayo Cruz. He's one of today's birthday celebrants, and then it will be followed by Twice. One of their members is today's birthday celebrant, Che Young. For the meantime, here's Dynamite from Tayo Cruz, 895 Subic Bay Radio.